Hello, good morning. I am LK Pandey. Welcome back. Today I am going to describe about a topic related to grammar section, and topic is verse. So students are advised to listen carefully. Verse, there is two types of verse. First one is active and second one is passive verse. But it is necessary to know how we identify that this sentence is related to active verse and this sentence is related to passive verse. Active verse, when there is importance of subject in the given sentence. When sentence is given and there is the importance of subject can be called as the active verse. We use the form of verb according to tense and subject. As example, she plays football. In the sentence, there is the importance of subject and subject is she. And the form of verb is used according to the subject. Next, passive verse, when there is the importance of object in the sentence. And in the passive verse, always we use the third form of verb. As example, football is played by her. So now I describe the concept according to tense, how we convert from active to passive verse. So first I start present tense. Once again I want to repeat, verse, it has two kinds. First one is active verse and second one is passive verse. Active verse, when there is the importance of subject in the sentence and form of verb is used according to subject and tense. And second one is the passive verse, when there is the importance of object and we always use the third form of verb in the sentence. It can be said this sentence is in the passive verse. Examples are given. Now I start some importance concept, how we convert the sentence from active to passive. First we want to narrate about the tense, past, present tense. It is very important to know how we identify this sentence belongs to which tense. Then we can change from active to passive verse. सबसे पहले हम प्रेजेंट टेंस की बात करते हैं और प्रेजेंट टेंस का जब तक हमको इसका कॉन्सेप्ट पता नहीं रहेगा तब तक हम इसको एक्टिव से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते। इसका जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस। Present tense and its first is present indefinite. It is the first part of present tense, present indefinite, and it is a concept of affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Present tense, it has four parts. First one is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So I am going to describe first present indefinite and affirmative sentence and the concept of present indefinite of active voice. Students are advised that you have to remember what is the concept of active voice. Then you can easily describe or convert it into passive voice. Subject, verb, first form of verb, s or es, and object. Concept of active voice. It is the concept of active voice. Subject, first form of verb, s here, or object. And if we have to change it into passive word, then which type of concept we apply? In passive voice, it is a common rule that we always use object and third form of verb by, and after by we use subject. कभी भी हम जो है एक्टिव से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो एक्टिव से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करते समय सब्जेक्ट जो है ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट जो है सब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट होता है. एंड वी ऑलवेज, कोई भी हमारा टेंस हो, कोई भी टेंस होगा उसमें हमेशा हम वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म का ही यूज करेंगे. तो ये हमारा जो कॉन्सेप्ट जो है प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस का, ये हमारा एक्टिव वॉइस का. एक्टिव वॉइस मींस फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस. हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का जो है सेंटेंस जब बनाएंगे तो उस टाइम जो है हम किस कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करेंगे? सब्जेक्ट, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, एस एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. लेकिन इस टेंस का अगर सेंटेंस होगा और उसको हमको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना होगा तो हम पैसिव वॉइस का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है पहले ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करेंगे. इज, एम, आर अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, बाय एंड सब्जेक्ट. एज एग्जांपल, I read a novel. I read a novel daily. This sentence belongs to present indefinite tense of affirmative because read is the first form. हमको अगर इसको पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करना होगा तो सबसे पहले हम ऑब्जेक्ट कर, व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट? वर्क विच इज डन बाय सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट जिस काम को करता है वही हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट जो है आई है. आई क्या कर रहा है? रीड कर रहा है. लेकिन क्या चीज को रीड कर रहा है? वो एक नॉवेल को कर रहा है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो होगा ये सब्जेक्ट होगा, ये हमारा वर्ब होगा और ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. अ नॉवेल ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. जब हम इसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो सबसे पहले हम ऑब्जेक्ट को लाएंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू पंक्चुएशन, it is very necessary to know that in the starting of sentence first word should be in the capital letter. जब भी हम सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करेंगे तो सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट वर्ड हमारा कैपिटल होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट इज गिवन अ नोवेल एंड अ नोवेल इट इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. सो वी यूज इज, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज. ऑब्जेक्ट is, am, are, and third form of verb. Third form of verb same to same. Read and by, and after its subject. Object is converted into subject and subject is converted into object. So what is the object of I? Me. It is a simple concept, but before describing the whole concept of changing from active to passive, I would like to tell you about what is the subject object of the pronoun. So once again, first I start present tense, and it is the first part of present tense, present indefinite of affirmative sentence. Active voice, concept of active voice, subject, first form of verb is yes and object. But when we change it into passive voice, we use object in the starting of sentence. We use helping verb is or according to object, and third form of verb by and subject. Example is given below. Once again, I repeat some important pronouns. What is the object, subject, and possessive form of the pronouns? So, pronoun and its subject, object, and possessive form. Pronoun I, it is subject and its object is me, and its possessive form my and mine. Next we, it is subject we, object us, possessive form our and ours. They, them, subject is she, her, hers. He is pronoun he, object him, his. You, your, yours. It is very important things when we are going to change from active to passive. Pronoun, what is the conversion of pronoun in subject, object, and possessive form? If subject is given I, then its object will be used me, and its possessive form my and mine. But students are advised that there is no any conversion of possessive form in the passive voice. If after possessive form, if any noun is given, then there will be no conversion of possessive form when we convert into passive voice. But after possessive form there is no any noun, then we convert into subject. अगर हम जो है पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट में, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट में करते हैं, लेकिन पॉजेसिव फॉर्म कभी चेंज नहीं होता है। लेकिन इसका कंडीशन एक है, चेंज होगा अगर हमारा जो है पॉजेसिव फॉर्म के बाद कोई नाउन नहीं है तो वहां पे पॉजेसिव फॉर्म का जो है कन्वर्जन सब्जेक्ट में होगा। लेकिन अगर पोजेसिव फॉर्म के बाद कोई नाउन है तो वहां पे पोजेसिव फॉर्म का कन्वर्जन नहीं होगा, वैसे सेंटेंस में ज्यों क्या त्यों हम यूज करते हैं। आई का सब्जेक्ट है मी में होगा, बी का अस में होगा, दे का देम में होगा, सी का हर, ही का हिम, यू का ऑब्जेक्ट योर, इट का इट, और ये हमारा जो है पॉजेसिव फॉर्म है। ठीक, तो एक एग्जांपल मैं बता रहा हूं, इससे आप लोगों का जो है पॉजेसिव फॉर्म में क्लियर हो जाएगा कैसे पॉजेसिव फॉर्म को चेंज करना है और कैसे नहीं करना है। एग्जांपल, she abuses me, it is object, then it is a concept. When we change it to passive voice, subject is converted into object and object will be converted into subject. Me is object and its subject is I, then it is I, and we use helping verb am with I am, and third form of verb abused and by and subject she is subject and its object is her. Other example, they complete my work. They complete my work. My is possessive form and after my there is a noun. My जो यहाँ पे possessive form है और work यहाँ पे noun है, तो my का यहाँ पे कोई conversion नहीं होगा। My जो यहाँ पे वैसे ही my work is completed by, और दे का जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है देम होता है। ओके, इट इज द फर्स्ट concept of present indefinite tense. In next video, I will describe the negative sentence, how we change the active voice from active voice to passive voice of negative sentence.